Okay, we're gonna get right into it. As you can see, I'm now off from work. I just basically made it home. Um, Received a couple of things today in the mail. I still have quite a few other things that I'm waiting for that'll basically be delivered to me within some days or so. But I'm gonna jump right into it. Um, as you can see, I basically received the 18-inch half-inch snap-on lock and flex head, and the part number is SHX80B on the handle. This is the 18-inch lock and flex head, half-inch. You're gonna get over here. What else I received? I received a Tekton 4-piece impact adapter and reducer set that ranges from 1/4 inch to 3/8, 3/8 to half inch, 3/8 to 1/4 inch, half inch to 3/8. For high torque and chrome vanadium. This is impact ready, as you can see. Forged in heat treated chrome vanadium steel, corrosion resistant, black oxide finish. Locks onto socket and drive tang with a lifetime replacement guaranteed. The part number, as you can see, is 4957. I wanted to try this set out right here because I do have Tekton sockets, which I have in half-inch, deep and shallow, and I also have its 3/8 set in deep and shallow, and I also have Tekton hex torque sockets. So I wanted to give these a try right here. Especially what I wanted to try out for a change, honestly, is the 1/4 inch to the 3/8 adapter for some of my cordless impacts. So that's basically that is. Okay, over here, as you can see, is a 12-piece metric deep socket set, which range from 8mm to 19mm. This is a 3/8 set, which is deep. As you can see, the sockets is a little bit all over the place, I guess, from the delivery handling or whatever, but you already know that it's in its magnet tray. The part number on here is, let's see, 212 SFSMY, as you can see, ranging from 8mm to 19mm. Guess you're wondering, even though I'm not at work, why am I still wearing the gloves? I'm just wearing the gloves when I'm handling the tools. You know, the chrome picks up prints. Like to keep all my tools clean. Take care of your tools will take care of you. Okay, that's your snap-on half-inch, 18-inch lock and flex head and 3/8 12-piece metric deep socket set and Tekton adapter and reducer review. Peace.